What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform, here to give you a quick overview of our new motorcycle phone mount for the BMW K1600 and R1200. This is a pretty quick and painless installation. You'll start by removing the factory M10 bolt from the handlebars. Once removed, you'll grab our M10 bolt and add a drop of blue thread lock. Finger tighten it most of the way in and then use a crescent wrench to tighten up the bolt. Next, you'll connect our 20mm ball adapter to the bolt using our included M8 bolt. Our 20mm ball is slotted, so it'll help keep it keyed into position during the install. After that, you attach our 3.5-inch stud arm to the ball, followed by our Enduro cradle. Next, you can adjust the dual omnidirectional ball and socket joints to get you into the perfect viewing position.